Hello, today we talk about best of the Philips. Yes, the Philips made a lot of audio equipment, but these two, this CD player and this amplifier, they are among those best. And some people believe if you just cover them with a cloth and ask an audiophile and tell him what is playing, they might say, I think it's Macintosh, but no, it's the Philips which generate audiophile quality sound. This is amplifier, Philips amplifier 22RH550. Yeah, Philips models are strange, they start with the 22 and RH and 550. Well, it's known as a 550 amplifier from 1975. Max watt is if you use all four speakers, it reach 70 watts altogether, and it's a completely a transistor based amplifier. This is also known as a space model, and some of the nostalgia guys, they also refer it a fish eye because of these VU meters. uh, they sort of look like a fish eye. This generates a very excellent sound, stereo sound of course, and it has a like several inputs for the tape, tuner, and the pickup. The Platin Speller phonograph, it doesn't have a CD input because CD was not invented yet in 1975. Also, you have a choice to select mono or stereo, and contour, scratch, and rumble, and this is for the headphone if you wish to listen through the headphone volume, treble, bass, and the balance. And these beautiful two VU meters per channel, which they tell you the power strength. And this is a very nice amplifier. I have tested many Philips amplifier. I found this one is the best. And this CD player, this is from 1999. This CD player is a TDA1549. This is the last model where they use a DAC chip, a digital analog converter chip, very famous one, TDA1549, and that chip produce a very pleasant output at the pre-amplifier level. So it's convert digital into analog, and it create a two channel, and all the frequency, mid level, the low frequency, the high level, they are so refined and so separate. And if you play through a good amplifier in the speakers, you will see a lot of detail into the sound. So this is Philips CD753. The last model they use TDA1549 chip, very famous chip for the DAC, digital audio conversion. And afterwards, they went with other chip produced by Sony. Everybody use it, and that doesn't have a good sound. So this has a sound as good as CD304 or 302, the CD models Philips made earlier, and which were produced by all other company like Marantz. They use the same chip, so they produce a very good sound. This is from 1999, and this is from 1975. This is very beautiful looking amplifier. CD player is it's okay, there's a LCD display and the button and remote control it has, but it's I like it because the sound developed by the chip TDA1549. So it's the younger brother of if the Philips lover, they remember CD751. So this is just a younger model to that, and they could have done a much better job, especially the disc handling system is quite normal and cheap, which you can commonly use in Sony and all other Japanese brands basically. But the circuitry and the chip is important, which is generating a very excellent sound. So I would like to play some music, and I would like you to listen and tell me in the comments how do you find This based off the Philips, the 550 amplifier, RH22 RH550 amplifier, and the CD player 753. I'm using normal speakers. Even I have the Bose and the other one, but I'm using the normal speakers, and it generate a very beautiful sound. So let's have a sound test. So, how do you find it? The sound quality. Let's play something else, a different, especially to find out the detail in the sound. that gave you an expression of high frequencies in the music. So you see variety of high frequencies on that last track I play from Ecuador. Now let's try Reggae from Bob Marley to see the low frequencies and the mid frequencies. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave comment about this Philips audio setup, especially about the CD player and the amplifier. Thank you.